We know Rajneesh, like the normal human beings. He had 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 nose, 2 eyes, a long beard. The moment you can compare God to anything in this world, He is not God. وَلَمْ يَقُلْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Suppose someone says that God is 1,000 times stronger than Arnold Schwarzenegger. You heard the name Arnold Schwarzenegger, the person who got the title Mr. Universe, strongest man in the world. If someone says Almighty God is 1,000 times stronger than Arnold Schwarzenegger, the moment you can compare God to anyone, whether it be Arnold Schwarzenegger, whether it be King Kong, whether it be Dara Singh, the moment, whether it is 1,000 times or million times, the moment you can compare God to anything in this world, He is not God. وَلَمْ يَكُلْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. There's nothing like Him. This is the 4-line definition of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to find out whether He's true God or not. So I request all the people, check up the God you're worshipping. If it passes the test of Surah Ikhlas, the true God. Otherwise, it's a fake God.